Ever scrambled to pay a friend back for dinner? Needed to split a birthday gift last minute? In today's digital world, sending money quickly and easily is more important than ever. But with a growing list of financial apps, it can be confusing to know which ones let you send and receive cash. So, let's cut to the chase. Can you send money through Wealthsimple? The answer, like many things in finance, depends on what you mean by send money. If you're picturing a seamless peer-to-peer payment system, like splitting a pizza bill with your friend across town, then yes, Wealthsimple has you covered. But there's a twist. It depends on whether the person you're sending money to also uses Wealthsimple. Here's the breakdown. Wealthsimple Cash, your built-in buddy for splitting costs. Wealthsimple offers a feature called Wealthsimple Cash. Think of it like a virtual wallet within your Wealthsimple account. With Wealthsimple Cash, you can send and receive money instantly and for free to anyone else who also has a cash account. It's a fantastic option for those everyday transactions where you need to settle up with friends and family. Here's how it works. Imagine you and your friends go bowling. One person pays for the whole lane, and now everyone owes them a share. Through the Wealthsimple app, you can easily select your cash account, choose Send Money, and find your friend's contact information, their unique Wealthsimple Cash username. Pop in the amount you owe, add a funny bowling pun if you want, because why not, and hit send. Your friend gets notified and receives the money right away. Wealthsimple Cash, fast, free, and familiar. The beauty of Wealthsimple Cash is its simplicity. No bank transfers, no account numbers, just a quick selection within the app, and the money moves instantly. Plus, there are no fees for sending or receiving money with Wealthsimple Cash, making it a great option for those everyday transactions. But what if your friend isn't on Wealthsimple? Here's where things get interesting. While Wealthsimple Cash is fantastic for sending money between Wealthsimple users, it's not quite as versatile if your recipient isn't part of the Wealthsimple family. Interac eTransfer, reaching beyond the Wealthsimple circle. Wealthsimple offers another option, Interac eTransfer. This is a widely used Canadian money transfer service that lets you send money directly from your Wealthsimple Cash account to someone who doesn't use Wealthsimple. Think of it as reaching beyond the Wealthsimple circle. Here's the thing to remember with Interac eTransfers. They're not quite as instant as Wealthsimple Cash transfers. The recipient may need to wait a bit for the money to arrive in their bank account, depending on their financial institution. There may be a small fee associated with sending an Interac eTransfer through Wealthsimple. It's always a good idea to double-check the fees before hitting send. Wealthsimple for sending money, it's all about your network. So, the answer to the question, can you send money through Wealthsimple, ultimately boils down to your network. If you and the person you need to pay are both Wealthsimple users, then Wealthsimple Cash is a fast, free, and convenient option. But if your recipient isn't on Wealthsimple, you can still use Interac eTransfer to send them money, though it might take a little longer and may involve a small fee. The final takeaway. Wealthsimple offers a flexible approach to sending money, with Wealthsimple Cash catering to your inner circle and Interac eTransfer expanding your reach. Ultimately, the best option depends on who you're sending money to and your priorities for speed and cost. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.